Hello my friends and welcome back. Today's video we are reviewing a microscope. So this is everything that you get and a manual, everything that is needed. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. So let's first start off by the bracket. These are different lights here, but the bracket is going to thread right in here. Once you get it thread down in, you can turn this black washer to make it tight. And then these allow you to adjust the microscope. So this gets placed down in here. These little pins on the side thread out right here. And then you just thread that in to hold it in place once you got it positioned how you want. So for us, we want the screen right there. And now we tighten that. The cap is just to put this back on here like that. Now the item would go there. You can adjust this on the back so you can get close. You can also lock it in place if you need to. So if you want to lock it up top. So as you guys can see here, these brackets, these screws lock this in place. This adjusts your position and this locks this in place. These lights are designed to position how you want. So you can angle the lights however you want. Here we have a remote. And that would go over and plugged in right here. You do that once it's set up. The screen can be adjusted for different viewing positions, and you have your power button right under here. So you press the power button. Let's see here. So make sure you press and hold the power button. Once you press and hold it, it should come up. All right, so there we go. Let's go ahead and show you how it works now. So TF card goes right in here. So that allows you for video recording, and you do power this and charge it with this. So if you don't have the key in, so as you guys can see, you can go through, use this, you can change the position. You can take pictures. Let's go ahead and put a coin underneath here. So it allows you to see. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Alright, so as you guys can see now, it's not going to show up as good on the camera, but we're going to go ahead and press record on our remote. So now it should be recording. And as you guys can see, you can adjust this right here for the, you know, how fine detail, blurry. You can use this for more than just coins as well. Let's go ahead in the back here. Let's loosen this up.